Okay, so this video we're going to show how to upgrade the output card by a USB flash driver, because right now we have like these two output ports but with like two different versions. This one is V1302, but this one is going to V1401. So if we want to do the upgrading, and basically we need to power off the matrix switcher, and we have like two ways to do the upgrading. One way is just like we can just remove the top panel like right now by the remove the screws side and top. Then we can just remove this one. Okay, so after we remove the top panel, then we can see this output card, and we have the USB ports for each port on these two. And basically we need to copy the firmware. Like right now I already have the firmware copied to this USB flash driver, so we just plug out. And then we have, because right now we have this port 3 is with different version than the port 4. So we have this one is powered off the matrix switcher and USB flash driver and plugged to the USB port. Okay, so now we already have it plugged in. Then we just turn on the matrix switcher. After we power on the matrix switcher, we can see this indicator is start to flashing, but the other ports is going to be a solid light. So we'll just wait until this indicator turns to the solid light, or until we get the image output to the display. Then that means the upgrading is finished. Okay, so we'll just keep waiting. So now this indicator is still flashing, but we'll just wait it almost a little bit longer. Okay, so now also on display is showing up the image, and the indicator is also turned to the solid light. So now we can just power off the matrix switcher and plug out the USB flash driver, and now power on the matrix switcher. Then we'll just wait until it shows out the image on the TVs. Okay, so now this one is showing up and both screens are showing up. Then we just use the same IR remote control and we'll press the edit button. Okay, so this one is already upgraded, and another port, the same 1401. So this is how we do the upgrading on the HDBaseT output card by a USB flash driver. Okay, thank you.